What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to go over how to set up Domain Connect integration with LC email dedicated sending domains. But what that mainly means is that we're going to go over how to set up an email domain that is going to allow you to increase your email deliverability and set up brand recognition and brand credibility. It's going to increase your control so that you're able to get in the inbox more often. And it's also going to reduce the chances for like spam flagging and things just like that. With that, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Now, there's two different spots that you can sign up. You can sign up on the account level for your agency, or you can sign up per sub account. And today we're going to go over how to sign up on the sub account level. All right. Once you've logged into your account, you're then going to go down to the settings tab on the left right here. You're going to click on that bad boy. You're then going to scroll down until you see email services. You'll click the tab email services. You'll see this pop-up appear. When you do, just go ahead and click on it. Now, you can use any type of subdomain that you like. I've seen people use no reply, mail. I've seen people use inbox, but whatever you choose, it wants to be whatever that is, whatever your domain is, .com. So let's set this up as we'll go with mail.funnel.ai.com. Perfect. So we'll come in here now, you'll click add and verify. And you'll see that you can go ahead and hit continue. If you do, the wizard will take over and it'll start integrating and setting up your actual domain for you. But if for some reason you don't have one of the major providers, need to set it up manually, what you're going to do is click this little button right here. You'll see all the records you need to create will appear. At that point, you're going to log into wherever you're at for whoever your domain provider is. In my case, this is GoDaddy. I'm going to hit the DNS Records and go into the DNS Records. And then what you do is you'd click add a new record, and then you'd first start out by whatever record type. So this is a text, this is a CNAME, this is an MX record, and you just would start that out. So the first one is a text, so you'd come in, match that, and then you just click right here and you'd see it's a mail domain. So you click it, you paste it in, and then right here after the actual domain itself, you just want to take everything off. The URL, you don't need that. So you want to take that off. And then the next thing is you just copy again the value and you paste it in there and you hit save. So we're not going to go ahead and do that. You just do it again for each one. You'd go down, instead of a text file, you'd make a CNAME for the other one. You then click here, same thing, exact same thing on all of it. Anytime you see your actual URL, that's like you did right here on this guy, you're going to want to take that off. So you can see right here, you want to take your URL off the end of that, unable to see that way, and then hit save. Once you've done that, you're just going to come in here and you'll hit verify records. And once you do that, you'll see that your records are verified. Pretty easy. We're going to show the even easier way now. The way that I recommend 90% of you to do this is to use the actual wizard. So you're going to hit continue. It starts doing its magic in the background right there. It'll figure out who your provider is. There you go. I'll authorize it. Hit connect. It also helps too if you've already opened up in another tab who your provider is. You'll see success, does it for you. Boom, bam, bam. Pretty easy. Now you'll see that these are not verified. If for some reason they didn't appear verified, you can copy the record and set them up just like I showed you earlier in the video. So let's go ahead and see if they're verified. It does take a couple of seconds. Not yet. All right, so I did the first time, did not go through the first time. Let's try one more time. See, now we're all verified, good to go. All right. So we go back to dedicated domains now. You'll see now that mail.funnel.ai.com is good to go. It says that right now it's waiting to verify. We'll hit verify now. Boom, verify domain again, just to make sure. Final one, you'll see now the SSL has been issued, security certificate. And we're good to go. So now all the emails will have mail.funnel.ai.com on it. And that's how you set up a dedicated email domain. Thanks so much for watching this video. Funnel Doc out. Peace.